The Kia Sorento is a midsize SUV that adds up to more than the sum of its parts. While competitors may do some aspects of a three-row family hauler better, few are this well-rounded while keeping thousands of dollars in your pocket. The seats are comfortable both up front and in the rear, with the second row able to recline for added comfort on long trips. The third row seats do leave a little to be desired. Only the seat on the passenger side slides forward to create a path to the rear, where most adults will find this space narrow and cramped. This space is best left for kids. When that third row seat is upright, storage space in the cargo area is sparse, with only enough room for a few small items. Fold down the third row, however, and there's much more space available for strollers, groceries, or bags for a weekend getaway. The driver will find a nice driving position, with plenty of head and leg room, and narrow roof pillars that allow for lots of glass area to the front and sides. However, the chunky rear roof pillars hurt the view out the back. A 7-inch touchscreen comes standard in the Sorento and includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. There's one USB port and one auxiliary port up front to connect and charge your devices. Rear seat passengers get 2 USB ports for charging. The Sorento comes standard with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which we found to be sufficient, but we preferred the 3.3-liter V6 engine in our tested model. This engine delivers power effortlessly, and the 8-speed automatic transmission provided timely and smooth upshifts. The Sorento has sound, secure handling, with well-weighted steering. The turning circle is generous, which makes it easy to navigate spaces in parking lots. The Sorento also has many advanced safety features available, though unfortunately none are standard on the base models. Blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic alert are standard on all but the base trim. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are standard on the EX-V6 and higher trims. For more on midsize SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.